Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to download the Backrooms mod on your server. Backrooms Found Footage is a horror Minecraft mod that transforms the game into a found footage experience, complete with immersive camera effects, visual distortions, and eerie environments. You have to escape 5 unique levels, all while surviving unsettling events and mysterious entities. So firstly, to download, you want to head over to the download link for the mod. We'll leave this in the description. Once you're there, click Files and then click to download the latest one. As you can see, the only available version is 1.20.1 and it's Fabric, so let's press that download. Once the timer goes off, the file should shortly download at the top. Once that is downloaded, make sure you go back and head to Relations and Dependencies. There you should also download GetColib and Simple Voice Chat. Just make sure both are downloaded for 1.20.1 Fabric. Additionally, Fabric API should also be downloaded, as that's a requirement for everything to work. Once you've completed downloading those 4 files, head over to Server.pro and head into your Minecraft server. Then in configuration, ensure your server is set to 1.20.1 Fabric, as that's required. Once that's done, head to Files and then Mods. Then make sure you drag all 4 files we just downloaded in there. Wait for them to upload, and once that's up and running, make sure you go ahead and restart or start up your server again. Now, to join the server, copy your server IP and then make sure the mods are also downloaded on your client. All you have to do is press Windows and R key at the same time, and then it'll pop up this window. Then inside this window, enter this destination, %updated%, and then press enter. That may take a little bit, but once these files are open, just press .minecraft and then open the mods folder. If the mods folder is not there, you can create a mods folder yourself, as it'll behave the same. Drag those 4 files we downloaded earlier as well. Once that's all done, open up Minecraft and make sure that the version on the bottom left is set to Fabric 1.20.1. Again, this is required as the steps will not work if you don't follow everything to a T. Once Minecraft is fully opened, head to multiplayer and then paste the server address we copied moments ago. You wait a little bit for the game to load in and then you're in. As you can see, the effects are already a little bit creepy and distorted, but all you have to do to proceed to enter the backrooms is suffocate yourself long enough until your character no clips into the backrooms. It can take a few attempts, but shortly it should take you inside. Then once you're in, this is the first level you have to escape, and you have to get through 5 random levels to escape fully. All I have to say is good luck, because you never know when Captain Clark is gonna strike. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.